Let me introduce to you our Queen's Grace. If we have a look at the leaves, we can see a lot of green. Okay, so it's not just these black leaves that we would usually find in the black tea, but there are a lot of, can you see? There are a lot of green around there. It is still orangey, but it's still like a little greenish. Okay, so it does give you, even to, I would think of like a like medium oxidized oolong, maybe like one of those bowl shaped, like first season of spring might even have this color, which is like a little greenish, goldenish, not fully red, not going fully red or not going full orange like what we would find in another black tea, or orangey kind of like in another Darjeeling. With Darjeeling, we always find like a very intense vegetal notes that we don't usually find in the rest of black teas. So black teas, they usually are full mature. So here we have a lot of vegetal notes. We can feel a lot of like also flowery. There is fruitiness, yellow fruit or like apricots or peaches or that kind of thing. We can also think a lot of like grapes, like more like white fruits, kind of like that. I can think of white grapes, like a bit of that muscatel note. And then also, first flush Darjeelings here also tend to be very fresh. They have like this sort of like camphor, like menthol notes that we might find. So it has this medium body, like slight astringency, not extremely, if we compare it to other black teas, not extremely astringent. Very nice light body, persistent anyway. And then it has this freshness. You can feel the camphor, a little bit of like this menthol note, that fruitiness as well. Flowery, it's also, we're talking about a tea with different layers.